This video is prepared by engineer Muhammad Abu Ghazla. Suspension-related issues in a vehicle can manifest through various symptoms. Here are some common signs of a bad suspension. 1. Rough or bumpy ride. If you notice that your vehicle feels excessively rough or bouncy while driving, it could be a sign of worn-out shocks or struts. The suspension system helps absorb bumps and maintain a smooth ride, so any degradation in its components can lead to a rougher driving experience. 2. Excessive body roll. When taking corners or making turns, if you feel your vehicle leaning excessively to one side, it could indicate problems with the suspension system. Worn out or damaged sway bar links, bushings, or stabilizer bars can contribute to increased body roll and reduced stability. 3. Nosediving during braking. If your vehicle's front end noticeably dips forward when you apply the brakes, it could suggest worn out or malfunctioning shocks or struts. Properly functioning suspension components help distribute weight evenly during braking, so any imbalances may indicate an issue. 4. Uneven tire wear. Suspension problems can lead to uneven tire wear patterns. If you notice that your tires are wearing out more on the inside or outside edges rather than wearing evenly across the tread, it could be a sign of suspension misalignment or worn-out components. 5. Excessive bouncing after hitting bumps. While some bouncing is normal after encountering bumps or potholes, if your vehicle continues to bounce excessively, it may indicate issues with the suspension. Worn-out shocks or struts may struggle to control the rebound, resulting in prolonged bouncing. 6. Steering problems. A faulty suspension system can affect your steering. If you experience difficulty steering, notice excessive play or looseness in the steering wheel, or feel vibrations or shimmying, it could be due to problems with the suspension components, such as worn-out tie rod ends or ball joints. 7. Clunking or knocking sounds. Unusual noises, such as clunking or knocking sounds, especially when going over bumps or rough roads, may indicate loose or worn-out suspension components. Faulty ball joints, control arms, or bushings can be the culprits. If you suspect any issues with your vehicle's suspension, it's advisable to have it inspected and repaired by a qualified mechanic. They can accurately diagnose the problem and recommend the necessary repairs or replacements.